Hi guys, it's Ruhi Alikhan, and today we are going to visit some of the wonderful properties that we have listed, commercial properties that is. The second property we're going to talk about today is San Francisco. San Francisco, this is a special property. It sits in Inner Sunset, which is, if you don't know San Francisco, it's the perfect location to be in San Francisco without being in San Francisco, meaning you've got all the most beautiful parks and landmarks within miles of you, but you are far enough removed that you're not going to have riffraff or people coming and bothering you. And what the beauty with this specific property is, it's a duplex, and it was rebuilt in 2012, and so it's completely earthquake retrofit, and it's gorgeous. It's got 2 units in it. It's already been condo converted, so it's a duplex with 2 condos in it. Now, they were remodeled very specifically with specific taste by the current owners, so you may want to modernize it. You want to turn around and sell each unit, you can. The beauty is you've got 1515 and 1517. You've got a flat backyard for 1515. You've got gorgeous deck with views galore for 1517. And get this, both units have an au pair unit or an ADU. So what does that mean? That means that if you wanted to rent out part of the space and use that as income to pay your mortgage, if you have a mortgage, or you want an investment property, this is an amazing opportunity. So I would definitely have a look at it. Again, hopefully you've been watching the video playing in the background with this information, but I would check it out and I would be happy to show it to you. Such a unique opportunity, and it's priced so reasonably that somebody's going to get a steal.